In this series of videos, I'm going to show you some stock trading tips using Trading 212. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a market order. If you're new to trading and you want to buy or sell your shares easily and quickly, you can place something called a market order, which is the simplest order type. And I'll show you how to do this all over on Trading 212 Invest now. However, the same terminology and process will apply on other trading platforms too. And I've previously created a full beginner's guide for Trading 212, which you can find below or over on my website, everybithelps.co.uk. Plus, if you haven't already signed up and you want some funds to trade with, you can get one free stock worth up to £100 by using my link below. So if you're in a hurry and you want to buy or sell your stocks easily at the market or the current price, you can place a market order over on the platform. So the first thing you'll need to do over on Trading 212 is deposit funds to trade with. Or you can go into practice mode to try this out first. Then once you've got some funds in either account, you're all set to trade. So if you find an instrument, a stock or a share that you'd like to purchase, and in this example I'm going to choose Tesco, and initially I'll show you how to buy and then I'll show you how to sell with a market order, but essentially the method is exactly the same. So if I click on to buy, and first of all you'll see the share's current asking price at the top of the screen, and then you have an option for a market, a limit, a stop, and a stop limit order, and these options will be available regardless of which stock you choose. And I've got videos available for all of these order types, but today we're going to concentrate on the simplest, market orders. So with a market order, all you need to do is enter the amount of shares that you'd like to purchase, and you can do this using the slider, or you can simply type these in. And in this example, I'm going to be purchasing 60 shares of Tesco. And as it states here, market orders are executed at the best currently available market prices. So let's go ahead and review our order. So it's showing me my order type, so we've chosen a market buy order. It's telling me the number of shares that I'm going to purchase. And then you can see that you have your cost, which is an estimated cost, as the price is currently changing. And the reason why this is an estimated cost is because the market is currently open, therefore the price is constantly changing. So with a market order, you are guaranteed that you'll get your order, but it can't guarantee the price at which it executes, which can come with an element of risk. Therefore, a market buy order will execute on the best available asking price. And once you're happy to go ahead with your order, you can click on to send buy order. And then you can see that the order has automatically placed. So let's take a look at that over on our portfolio. And then in here, you can obviously see the quantity that you've purchased. You can see the price, what the current price is, your market value, and your result. Then when you're ready to lock in your profits or protect your losses, you can sell by hovering over the name of that asset, clicking on to sell. You can then state the amount of shares that you'd like to sell. Review your order. Then it's going to give me that estimated value, and I can click on to send sell order. Then it will then submit a market order which will execute at the best available bid price. So as I said, it's a nice and easy way to buy or sell your shares at the market price and ideal for beginners. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.